I've been staring at the passenger side of this car for so long, I have yet to appreciate how much rot there is on the driver's side. For openers, it's pretty similar on the passenger side there. This is gone. And then the little surprise on the rocker here, that's gone. I'm about to fix that just so I don't have to look at it every time I get in and out of the car. And then this door, the driver's door, yuck, and more yuck. I got an NOS skin that came with the car. Thank you, James. And I've also got a 73 door here in the corner. I don't know if I'm going to use that or not, because the way the mirror mounts is different. And I really don't want to have to mess with it. But we'll see. Okay, I just cut the piece out of the rocker, and did the best I can spraying some rusty metal primer inside the cavity. I'm now going to cut a piece of probably 16 gauge and start to weld it in. Okay, I cut a piece that I'm going to tack in there. The only problem is the piece I removed has a little bit of an inset for where the screw goes, for the sill plate. So I have to kind of just tack this piece in, then I'm going to mark where it goes. I'm going to try to duplicate this. This is almost like a parallel to the ground plane. So I'm going to have to take, I don't know, some type of socket or something, and I'm going to try to bend that in. But first I'm going to mark off where the actual hole goes before I can put this welded in completely. Okay, tack the piece in. Okay, I just ground down the preliminary weld. I've got a couple little holes to fill. Some of the metal's kind of thin and blew through it. But the worst scenario is, oops, I don't know what the hell that came from. Everything else appears solid. I leaned on that and I heard a little crinkle and then took a little hammer to it and wow. So I got to cut that out and fix that too. Luckily the sill plate hole is not in that part like it is over here, so I'm going to have to figure out what I'm going to do with the molding. That's why I got the piece out. Figure it out shortly. Please give us a like and subscribe to the channel for notifications on this project's progress and other how-to videos. Thanks!